to your dad.
No! A ghost! My stomach hurts. I don't want breakfast.
Ethan, what do you eat after school? Alex, Ethan says his stomach hurts again. This keeps happening.
Again? We need to take him to the doctor. Let me take you to the doctor. Don't worry, Ethan.
Okay, Dad.
Doctor, this happens a lot. What is wrong? Let's ask Ethan some questions first. What do you eat after school, Ethan?
Burgers, fries, and pizza.
An occasional burger is fine, but not every day.
Okay, Doctor.
Do not worry, you will get better soon.
Thank you, Doctor.
Now let's go to the home.
Yes, Dad. Now I feel a little better.
No burgers, fries, or soda for now. We follow the doctor's advice.
Okay, Dad.
I am putting away all the fast food menus.
All of them?
Yes, Ethan.
Mom, I am hungry. What you have made?
Today we have grilled chicken and vegetables.
Vegetables again?
Yes, it's good.
Mmm. I am going, Mom. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ethan. Take care.
This pizza is so good, Ethan. My lunch is good too. Really? Why do you keep looking at my fries? I miss them so much. You are acting so strange today, Ethan. I'm just saying goodbye to fries forever. Hello, Dad. I'm back.
Hello, Ethan. Take off your school uniform and get some rest.
Okay, Dad. Let me go outside. This game is boring. That smells so good. No, I promised Dad. I have to go home. Let me buy one burger. The smell is so good. No one will know. One burger and fries, please.
Coming right up.
I need somewhere secret to eat this. Perfect. Nobody comes here. This is so good.
Hi, boy.
Who is that?
I know what are you doing. I will tell to your dad.
No! Please, don't tell anyone. A ghost! There is a real ghost! Let me feel okay. Then Mom and Dad will ask what happened.
Come, Ethan. Your favorite food is ready.
Coming, Mom. I'm ready.
Hungry, Ethan?
Very hungry. Very hungry.
You really like those vegetables today.
Love them. Please stop giving me more. That food didn't feel good. Let me go again. This time, the ghost won't be there.
Ethan, you came back.
You know my name.
Bring me burger tomorrow, then I will not tell to your dad.
A ghost eats burger? You're dead! Why do you even need food?
Don't disrespect the dead.
Let's go home. I'll find the ghost.
Class, this is Noah. He is new here.
Hello, everyone. Today is your first day, Noah. Let's go to the school cafeteria.
Okay, Ethan. I'm also feeling a little hungry. I always remove the pickles.
You really like cheeseburgers, don't you? How do you know that? Careful with the ketchup. You always use too much. Huh? Wait, how do you know that? Your dad still thinks you stopped eating fast food, right? How do you know about my dad? Huh? Hates pickles. Knows about burgers. Very suspicious. Why are you hiding behind that tiny plant? I'm not hiding. I am a statue. Don't disrespect the dead. That's exactly what the ghost said. Let me go home and get ready. Then buy a burger for the ghost and see who it is. I brought your favorite burger! This will be the last burger. I must find who is behind the fake ghost. Let's pick the burger now. Ethan's gone. It's so yummy! Noah, it was you whole the time? You are a fake ghost! Sorry, Ethan. Yes, it's me. I only asked for burger once as a joke. You made me buy 6 burgers! It's okay, Noah. It was fun. Now I am going to home. Thank you, my friend.
Ethan, where do you go every day at this time?
I go to the old playground.
What are you doing there?
I'm just going there to eat a burger.
The doctor told you that burgers aren't good for your health.
I promise, Mom, I'll never eat one again.